All this while, I was always very quiet, an introvert in my heart, but I loved looking at people. And this was not just about people, not just about men and women, this was also about animals, this was also about things. I would just want to see and observe and take it all. And it was later in my life I realized that whenever I was looking at people, there were stories that were always created in my mind. खैर किसी तरह 12th पास हुई, पता नहीं कैसे हुई. I reached my engineering, my college, and I got my hands first time on a laptop, on a computer. I googled, I started looking कि मेरे को कुछ problem है psychological और मुझे search करना है. And it was then when I realized that it was not a problem, it was a gift. My gift is, there's something called body language. Have you heard about this? How many of you know body language? I'm experienced की है singing form में. मैं दिखा रहा हूँ ऊपर करना. ऊपर ही रखना है ना, मैं देख लूँ जरा बहुत ध्यान से. Good. But I'm sorry I'm not able to control myself. क्या बोल रहा मैं तो ऐसे कर रहा हूँ. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आप. 2 साल में बहुत मजा आने वाला है आपको. Continue. सब निकल जाता हूँ. Because most of us don't even know what is the problem that we're trying to solve.